Add on the alarm and ringtone. First, get the app ringtone maker. Press the purple Add button. Press Import from image. Press the song you want to be your alarm or ringtone. Name it to the song. Now press Make. Get the app GarageBand. Now hold on the song. Press Share. Press Ringtone. Press Export. And go to Settings. And there you have it. For the alarm is. Go to Clock. Make your time sped up. Your song tone. Sped up with music.
Sneaky, geeky, money seeking, always peeping, fucking creeping, got it on the down low. It's how you think you always squeaky. What if I had told your mother her son was a cruel motherfucker? It's not just me, it's everybody who thinks that you're fucking ugly when you come and hurt us, just so you can get your money first of all.
And your alarm should pop up. Hope this tut helped. Bye y'all.